Welcome to Rustbuster's installation guide for Ford's 2009 to 2014 F-150. Before we begin, if you're uncomfortable with any of the processes listed in this guide, we strongly suggest you seek the work of a professional. Ensure you have all the tools and utilities listed and that you're following all the manufacturer's safety precautions during use. Step 1. Disconnect your vehicle's battery and inspect for potential fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines and engine components. Prepare or remove these before starting. Finally, clear the work area of any safety hazards. Step 2. Remove or lift your cab out of the way. Remove your cab mount's bushing. Cut off the factory rear cab mount and any obstructions in the work area. Then, grind the frame free of rust and debris, revealing bare metal. Spray the work area with a weld-through primer to help prevent against rust development. Step 3. Take your replacement rear cab mount and the mounting plate. Line up the plate with the bottom back edge of your cab mount. This is where the cab mount will sit, with the plate aligning with the top of your frame rail. Following proper welding procedures, tack weld your plate to the back of your rear cab mount. Then, hold your mount up to the frame using the factory mount silhouette to help with the alignment. You can measure the opposite side of your vehicle for reference. Then, tack weld your rear cab mount onto the frame before welding it on fully. Finally, paint the part with primer or other rust inhibitor to help prevent or reduce the risk of rust formation. We recommend our Rustbuster Rust Converter and Primer Spray Paint. Reinstall your cab mount's bushing in your cab. Then you're done.